Ah ya.
Thank you.
Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you.
It was really time that we get our laundry. We were also waiting for our swimming trunk, because without that, I mean, we can't go to the beach or surfing or... So we got our swimming trunk, we got everything what we need, but we got a flat tire. Seriously now?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh no. What do we do now? We now need to find a mechanic who can help us. Why does this always happen to us? I mean, come on. Okay.
Feel air.
Yeah.
Look at the back. Wait.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
So the local told us that there's a mechanic right over there. We now walk there, and we hope that he can fix it and we can get back to the homestay. Ah.
What happened?
Flat tire. Flat tire.
But it's closed. Is it closed?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ah, okay, terima kasih. It is closed. But she's not gonna call him and he will come. Can you maybe contact their accommodation or call them? Honey? So we don't really know if the tire is like gone or it only needs air, we don't know it yet. And we also don't know who needs to pay for it. I mean, it's not our scooter, we just rented the scooter. Look at this tire here. Just imagine this would have happened to us at a higher speed. Water, yes, water. And now we need to wait for the mechanic. I hope that it doesn't take too long. It should take approximately 50 minutes. It's already felt a little bit weird in the last couple of days already. I told Fabian several times, especially when we wanted to drive into a curve. It felt like we were sliding away a little bit. And this feeling just came back. I mean, just imagine this would have happened at a higher speed. This could be so dangerous. Hello. Yeah, we have a flat tire. Yeah. I think he's checking now if there is no, you know, coming air out. Huh? This is really clever. I had this trick from my dad when I had a flat tire on my bicycle back in the years. And you put in the tire under water and then you can see if there's air coming out or not. That's it? Ah, terima kasih. Terima kasih. With a delay of 1.5 hours now, we headed to the beach, but after this whole shock, we need something to eat first. We definitely paid way too much for the repair. We paid now 100,000 Indonesian rupiah, which are approximately 6 euros. We paid definitely, I mean, I could bet double the price a local would have paid, but I mean, he was so friendly, and also he came just extra only for us to help us with the tire, so it's okay. What do you want to get? What do you think? No? Or?
Just crowded and a lot of people.
So this is a quite famous Padang Badang beach everyone is talking about, and which is also highly recommended. But it is packed with people, and yes, we would have to pay 15,000 per person for a beach. I mean, most of the beaches are for free, and only because this one is so famous. Okay, what do we do now? Going to the other beach or what?
Yeah.
Terima kasih, sama-sama.
Yeah. Surfing?
3 p.m. and we finally made it to the beach.
Oh.
That's Dreamland beach. Whoa.
Oh God.
It is so warm.
Aua.
Oh. It really should be forbidden, this beach. Dreamland beach, dangerous. Very dangerous beach. Whoa. Honey, one day we're gonna see that as well. Except for chilling here at the beach, we didn't do anything special. Fabian was mostly just sitting here and laying and watching people, and I also, except for going in once, I also kept continuing reading my book, The Magic of Thinking Big by David J. Schwartz. I really can highly recommend this book. When I read books, I always mark what I found quite interesting, and I never read a book without my marker. I really couldn't imagine read a book without this thing here. When I mark them and make notes, it's easier for me to remember what I've read and what I've learned. Biggest takeaway from me today in this book is this simple sentence. Just treat customers like guests in your home. And not only customers, you can also apply that to your employees. If you're a leader in a company, really trying to think of them like guests in your home and treat them in a good way. And also, with that being said, always give people more than they expect to get. Each little extra something you do for others is a money seed. If you apply those rules, you will see that the results come in proportion to the enthusiasm invested. Did it make sense? Yeah.